The check engine light came on, so I started diagnosing the issue. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P0134, O2 sensor circuit no activity detected, bank 1 sensor 1. This code typically indicates that the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1, isn't providing the necessary signals for proper engine operation and emissions control. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the oxygen sensor, B1S1, using the scan tool. The sensor's readings were erratic and inconsistent, confirming an issue with its performance. Next, I inspected the oxygen sensor's wiring harness and connector for visible faults, such as corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition, so I moved on to electrical testing. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, which indicated that the circuit was supplying power and ground as it should. To confirm the condition of the sensor itself, I tested for continuity using the multimeter. The test showed no continuity, meaning the sensor was internally faulty and needed replacement. Based on these findings, I replaced the faulty oxygen sensor, B1S1, with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the system and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the sensor readings were stable, and the check engine light stayed off. No fault codes returned. This repair emphasizes the importance of a properly functioning upstream oxygen sensor. This sensor plays a critical role in monitoring the air-fuel mixture and ensuring efficient combustion. A faulty sensor can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and reduced fuel efficiency. By systematically diagnosing the problem and addressing the root cause, I ensured the vehicle's engine and emissions system were restored to optimal performance.